Hello everyone. So the project which we are going to make today is automatic dark detector. The components required for this project are BC547 transistor, 100 kilo ohm resistor, one 470 ohm resistor, one light dependent resistor, that is LDR, one LED, some jumper wires, one 9-volt battery and a breadboard. First, we'll place the transistor BC547 on breadboard. Then we'll place 100 kilo ohm resistor on breadboard. Now we'll connect LDR to the 100 kilo ohm resistor. Connect 100 kilo ohm resistor and LDR to the base terminal of the transistor. Connect the other end of LDR to the emitter terminal of transistor. Connect 470 ohm resistor to the collector of the transistor. Connect negative terminal of LED to the other end of 470 ohm resistor. Connect negative terminal of battery to the emitter terminal of transistor. Connect other end of 100 kilo ohm resistor to the positive terminal of LED. Connect battery's positive terminal also to the LED. As you can see, when we put a hand over LDR, the LED turns on. Means when LDR detecting dark, it's turning on the LED. And when we remove the hand, LED turns off. Means when light falls on your LDR, LED turns off. This is how your automatic dark detector works. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.